friends, welcome back to our channel Tiny Steps. In this video, let us see about the chapter 11 Algebra for class 6. So, what is algebra? Letters represents number. Example 4a. 2 1 plus b is the example. First, let's see what is the meaning of variable. An unknown quantity that can be represented by a variable. Example R, Y, A. So, let me explain about variable first. First, mostly the word variable you can hear is from the subject coding. So I'll teach you what is variable. So variable is when you hide the number using letters. For example, A is equal to 100. So A is equal to 100, that I know it. But I'll ask this question as 90. Wait 1 minute. Okay, so I'm gonna ask something like 99 plus 1, and then I come to know it is 100. So I used a variable which is A. So how is it a variable? You will learn it when you come to the 7th standard. First, let's learn the variable for max. Next is constant. A quantity whose value does not vary. So these are the keywords: quantity, value, vary. Vary is nothing but differ. So they all are same, a fixed value. So which is not a fixed value? For example, -1 or like between 2 and 3. So I will tell like I reach between 2 to 2:30 p.m. If I tell it is not a fixed value, but it is a value if I tell I reached at 2 o'clock. It is a fixed value because I don't have any doubt. I am sure that I reached at 2 o'clock. Next, let's go to the lesson. So, algebraic expression. An expression consisting of variable, constants and mathematical operations is called algebraic expression. So this is going to be our example. So let's see the example. Here in this case, 3 is going to be the consonant. So I told you what is the meaning of consonant, which is a quantity whose value does not vary. And he doesn't have points. So next, plus is not a algebra. Okay, so this is x. X is going to be a value because I don't know which number comes in the x. Maybe the x can be x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2 or goes on, but I don't know. So it is a variable. Since I don't know what number is it, and it is hidden by a letter. Next is the number 4. So it is a coefficient number. You will learn it in the higher class. Now, let's do one sum. If there are 50 mangoes in a box, so in a box, so we have only one box here, how will you write the total number of mangoes in terms of box B? Okay, they're asking what is the full of like how many mangoes are there in box B. Okay, so here, as it is algebra, let me tell you with a clear thing, but it's going to be a one line answer. Let me tell you. So first I'm going to write total number of mangoes is equal to, so in one box I have 50 mangoes, so I'm going to write 50 and into B is equal to 50B. So if I add, suppose I'm taking D and I'm adding C instead of B, then I should remove these both places and I will be adding C and C. So 50C, or like here 50 into C is equal to 50C. So this will be going on. Now I'll tell you another one, which is going to be a quite easy one. So let me show you. First, Radha. Here comes Radha is drawing. Okay, she loves drawing and she wanted to draw a picture. She also a artist. Okay, so now, or a dot rangoli. Okay, so of a dot rangoli. So rangoli means Hindus put it in front of their house, okay, in a beautiful pattern. Okay, of lines joining. So she might have kept in something like using lines joining. Okay, joining dots with chalk powder. So she uses chalk powder to draw the rangoli. Okay, now we'll go into the lesson. She has 9 dots in a row. Okay, so I will write it down. Wait. So I am drawing 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me keep it up so I have space. 9. Okay. Now I have 9 dots. Okay, in a row. Okay. How many dots? How many dots will her rangoli have? Have 8 rows. Okay. How many dots are there if there are 8 rows? Is there 10 rows? Okay. So I will now explain you. So first I know about this pattern. I know this pattern. Okay. But is it enough to see only this side coming from up and here, or should I also see from this side? So I should see both sides. Then I can calculate. So let's write the answer. First, let the number of rows. So how many rows? I don't know because it is r. R is a variable. It is a variable because it is not a number. It is hiding a number. If I know the variable, I would able to solve the answer. Okay. Solve the question. Next is number of dots in a row is equal to 9. So total number of dots in Y. So I'll now tell now total. I need now total number of dots in Y rows. Okay. I don't know. So what will I do? Then I will be multiplying 9 into x into r is equal to 9r. So now what is the answer? Number of dots in 8 rows is equal to 9 into 8, which is equal to 72, and number of dots in 10 rows is equal to 9 into 10 is equal to 90. Okay, that's it. So we have solved this problem too. Okay, correct. Let me put a star. Now let's go to the next question. So what is the next question is? Leela is Radha's younger sister. So Leela is Radha's younger sis. Okay. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Okay. So what is the age of Leela? Age of Leela. Take Radha's age to be x years. So here Radha's age is x years. Okay. So what will be the answer? Let's see the answer. Let Radha's age is equal to x. Leela's age is equal to 4 years younger than Radha. Therefore, okay, that's all is with algebras. So that's all it is with algebras. There is nothing for algebra. Okay, and we have rules, but that is not important now. And thank you for visiting our channel to study. And we are here to support your studies. Please subscribe and thanks for making us a view. So I wish you guys understood about algebra. Thank you. Bye-bye. Please subscribe for new videos for next chapter. Bye-bye.